What's up guys, Chicks here, and today I've got my hands on a 27-inch 5K IPS monitor designed for productivity, creative work and hybrid setups. So this is the KTC H27P3. So let's find out exactly what this thing can do. Roll the intro. First of all, inside the box you will find a user guide, a small screwdriver, a USB-C to USB-C cable, an HDMI cable, power cable, and a power supply. And here is a close-up of the voltage info. Now the monitor comes in two parts, and I'll quickly show you how you put this thing together. You're simply securing the base with a single screw, and you use the supplied screwdriver to tighten that single screw. And that is pretty much it. Now you can just attach this to the back of your monitor and it clicks into place. So you don't need any other screws to secure this. The KTC H27P3 is currently selling for around $499 on Amazon UK. Now that's a very competitive price for a 27-inch 5K monitor with dual mode display capabilities and lots more. Now if we talk about design, KTC has gone for a clean, minimal, professional look. You've got very slim bezels, three-sided frameless design, and a matte panel surface that helps reduce glare. The back has a combination shiny finish, and then you've got matte finish towards the bottom. And the screen itself does look pretty slim to the eye. And it's almost giving you an impression of that OLED slimness, but not quite. The aluminium stand feels solid and stable, though it only supports tilt adjustment. So no height, swivel, or pivot out of the box. If you want more flexibility, the monitor includes a 75 by 75mm VESA mount for third-party arms or brackets. For connectivity, the H27P3 covers all the essentials, with a small physical joystick button which allows you to power on and navigate the system menus. Then on the right, you have an HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C port, supporting up to 65-watt power delivery for laptop charging, video out, and data. You also get two full-size USB 3 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the power socket. Now please note there is no built-in speakers in this monitor, so audio output will require headphones or external speakers. Now let's talk about that display. You are looking at a 27-inch IPS panel supporting up to 5K resolution, that's 5120 by 2880, with around 271 pixels per inch, providing extremely crisp text and detail for design, video editing and multitasking. Brightness is 500 nits typically, with a 2001 static contrast ratio and wide color coverage, with 100% sRGB, 99% DCI-P3 and 99% Adobe RGB. All factory calibrated with E.2 accuracy, meaning colors should be faithful and consistent straight out of the box, which is ideal for creators. And here's the clever part. The H27P3 isn't just 5K 60Hz monitor, it also includes a dual mode display switch that lets you drop the resolution to Quad HD, that's 2560 by 1440, and it will also boost the refresh rate from 60Hz to 120Hz. So this makes motion smoother for gaming or general UI responsiveness. It's not aimed at competitive esports, but in 2K 120Hz mode, the overall experience feels visibly more fluid than standard 60Hz. And I can pretty much play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 competitively in this mode, and it looks and plays very well. Now you also get adaptive sync support, which helps reduce tearing when frame rates vary. And here is some gameplay footage for you guys to check out. Now, if we talk about the color performance is strong thanks to its wide gamut coverage and factory collaboration. HDR is supported via HDR 400, which adds extra brightness, headroom, and punch compared to standard SDR, though HDR 400 is pretty much entry-level HDR. Now, the viewing angles are wide, that's 178 degrees, and the panel uses a flicker-free backlight with low blue light technology for more comfortable long hours. So, who is this monitor actually designed for? Well, the KTC H27P3 makes the most sense if you're looking for incredible resolution for productivity and creative work. That 5K panel gives you loads of screen real estate and extremely sharp text, which is ideal if you spend hours working on detailed tasks. But please note, to take advantage of that 5K resolution, you do need a computer that can handle it. And saying that, it's especially well suited for anyone with photos, video editing, graphic design, or large spreadsheets where clarity, color accuracy, and extra workspace really matter. Everything feels less crammed and you can comfortably run multiple windows side by side. This monitor is also a great fit if you want a clean single cable setup. The USB-C connection lets you power and drive a laptop at the same time, which is perfect for a modern desk setup and hybrid workspaces. So I'm able to plug in my MacBook Pro, it's charging it, and it's giving me a second extended screen to play with. You also get the flexibility to switch to 1440p at 120Hz when you want smoother motion, whether that's for casual gaming or just more fluid everyday experience. It's a nice bonus to have rather than the main focus. Now that said, it doesn't try to compete with high refresh rate gaming monitors, and you don't get built-in speakers or fully adjustable stand out of the box. But for productivity, mixed use, and content creation, the KTC H27P3 is a very compelling and well-balanced option. So there you have it, guys. That was the KTC H27P3 monitor, and here are my thoughts. The 27-inch 5K resolution looks absolutely stunning, delivering very sharp detail at 5120 by 2880, and you also get a handy dual mode option letting you switch between 5K at 60Hz and 1440p at 120Hz depending on what you're doing. Color performance is strong thanks to the wide color gamut and factory collaboration, and the USB-C connection with 65-watt power delivery makes for a really clean single cable setup. Overall clarity is excellent for creatives and productivity work, and the minimalist design fits nicely into any modern desk setup. Now, the caveats to consider. There are no built-in speakers, so you will need headphones or external audio. The included stand only offers tilt adjustment, which means you may want to invest in a monitor arm for more flexibility. So bottom line, the KTC H27P3 delivers pro-level sharpness, accurate colors, and flexible use, all at a price that undercuts many big brand 5K monitors. If you're after a productivity first display that can handle smooth everyday use, then this monitor is worth considering. Now do let me know in the comments, would you use this as your main work monitor or part of a dual screen setup? Drop a like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.